Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on the topic of types of system testing. In this video, we will explore the topics like why the system testing has been classified, what are the reasons leads to the classification of system testing, and how it is classified, and how many types it is classified, what are the types of system testing, and what are the technical details of the types of system testing. To know all these details, let's step into the video. Friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, let us know the reasons leads to the classification of system testing. Friends, we know that system testing is done on a complete application where all the requirements given by the client are maintained in the application. For example, an application have 100 requirements. So by the time we do system testing, the application will have all that 100 requirements. So if one of the requirement is the login page, to test that requirement, we have to enter the correct user ID and correct password and observe whether we are getting the home screen or not. The testing, we also test in different conditions, different test conditions or different test scenarios, like entering the wrong user ID and correct password, observe the system behavior, and entering the correct user ID and wrong password, entering both wrong user ID and wrong password, observe the system behavior. And testing also observe how much time the application is taking to show the home page, and they also focus. The test team will focus how many users are able to log in at a time to that web application. So if you keeps on speaking on that, how many test cases can be made on particular requirement, it can be 5 to 10. So for an application which have 100 requirements, we have nearly 1000 test cases. It's very time taking process. If you focus on the requirements which are the 89th or 90th requirement, to know whether that requirements are working fine or not, we have to wait 2 to 3 days. First we have to complete all the 500 or 600 test cases. Then we have to come to the 700 and 900 test cases. In that test case only, we are testing the last requirements. So friends, the system testing is a time-taking process, and we are finding the issues in the last requirements after a few days of starting the system testing. These are the main factors leads to the classification of system testing, to find the issues in the application, especially related to all the requirements within a few. Friends, let us know how the system testing is classified. Friends, the system testing is classified based upon the requirements. If you take the example of the login page, as per the client given requirement, if the user enter correct user ID and correct password, the application should display the home screen. The test cases related to this scenario is considered to be the requirement cases. The other test cases testing this requirement on the scenario of how much time it is taking to display the home screen, or how many number of users can log in to that web application by using this login page at a time, are considered to be the non-requirements. Friends, the test cases which are purely testing the requirements given by the client are categorized into one set. The test cases which are testing the application, focusing on requirements are working or not in different scenarios, considering the other factors like environment and number of users login, all these things, all these test cases are categorized into another category. Friends, this is how system testing has been. Friends, let us know what are the classifications of system testing. Friends, system testing has been classified into two types. There are functional testing and non-functional testing. Coming to this functional testing, they purely test the requirements, whether the application is maintaining that requirements and that requirements are working well as per intended by the client. For example, coming to the login page example, if we enter correct user ID and correct password, the test team will observe whether we are getting the home screen or not. Friends, coming to this non-functional testing, in this testing, we is to test the requirements in the different scenarios, considering the other factors and other parameters like environment and other performance parameters, security parameters, like how much time the application is taking to display the home screen and how many number of users are capable to log in to that web application at the same time. Is there any third person without signing up to the web application is able to log in to that application and able to see that home screen or not? Friends, let us see some of the important points in these types of system testing. As system testing is a time-taking process to find out the issues in the requirements which are not working well in a short span of time, we had classified the system testing into functional testing and non-functional testing. Friends, please click on subscribe button to get notification on the latest video. I request you to please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your lot of support to our channel. I hope it will continue forever.